It's interesting how chapter 19 concludes with verse 43, where Shukracharya explains to his disciple Bali Maharaj that he should lie to Vamanadeva or not promise him or whatever. 8 different circumstances where one can lie. It's alright to lie to Vamanadeva according to Shukracharya. But then chapter 20, it describes just the opposite. The Srimad Bhagavatam and the Dharma Shastras, quite opposite of what Shukracharya is saying. They're saying that lying is sinful. So in this chapter 20, it's called Bali Maharaj surrenders the universe. Even though he understood that Vaman was cheating him, Bali gave everything to the Lord in charity. And then Lord Vamanadeva manifested a huge body, gigantic form of Vishnu, and took over the whole universe. And Bali Maharaj, let's start the verse. Very interesting. In the verse 1, chapter 20, after Shukracharya instructed Bali Maharaj was silent for some time. Tushnim bhutva shanam rajan. He observed a moment of silence. The Acharya asked this question, why was he silent? Because he was deliberating on this order of Shukracharya. He was thinking, should I refuse the order and go against the order of my Guru? Or should I independently do everything to please Krishna or God? So he was taking some time, waiting for some confirmation from the Super Soul. He was also contemplating about the 2 different types of gurus. There's Pravritti Marg Guru and the Vritti Marg Guru. Pravritti Marg Guru takes the disciple on the path of Dharma, Artha, Kama, and Moksha. But then the Vritti Marg Guru takes the disciple on the path of Bhakti, eternal loving service of the Lord. Prabhupada explains when one should reject a guru. Anyone who is supposed to be a guru, but who goes against the principles of Vishnu Bhakti, cannot be accepted as a guru. If one has falsely accepted such a guru, one should reject him. Jiva Goswami says, a useless guru, such as a family priest who acts as a guru, should be given up, and a bona fide guru should be taken. A bona fide guru means a Vishnu Bhakta, one who will teach someone about the science of Krishna consciousness.